Kumar Saini, I would request you to please stay on stage. We will be doing some chief guest of honor. Okay. Next, we have a special chief guest honor. Air Vice Marshal A. Saikia was commissioned as a fighter pilot in Indian Air Force on 23rd December 1973. He held numerous operational and executive posts, and to name a few, he commanded a fighter squadron, 2 operational bases as air officer commanding in Western and Eastern sector. He was Commandant of College of Defense Management, a tree services organization. As a young flight lieutenant, he was selected to become an ADC to President of India. Air Marshal is a qualified flying instructor who later looked after entire base flying training of IAF at Air Headquarters. For his dedicated and illustrious service, he was awarded Ati Vishish Seva Medal and Vayu Sena Medal by the President of India. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our chief guest of honor, Air Vice Marshal A. Saikia. On stage, please. So I would request sir to please say a few words. His enriched experience.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would like to thank Softline Institute for honoring me on this 23rd anniversary, making an effort for nation building. As a special thanks to Mr. Krishna Kumar Saini for organizing such an event and function. Well, many would appreciate that I had a long, exciting and memorable journey while serving the nation, while being with the Indian Air Force for 37 years as commissioned officers. A disciplined life filled with activities. Time just flew by. Being a fighter pilot, it was indeed interesting and exciting to fly at 1,000 kilometers and more than that, many occasions, and break the sound barrier. It was really a thrill. Who wouldn't agree with this of thrill? While we trained ourselves to become fully ops pilot, we trained ourselves in close formation, formation flying, valley flying, hill flying, night flying, combat sorties, desert flying, over the sea, and also the main important, using that aircraft as a weapon platform, over the range sorties that culminated with gun firing, missiles, rockets and bombs. The training was intense, complex and difficult. But of course also it was a costly affair. Our training continued even after we became fully operational pilots, so that we could become 2 aircraft leader, followed by 4 aircraft leader and so on, so that we could be gainfully utilized in an event whenever there is a conflict or war with our adversaries. You all must be wondering as to why I am sharing all this with you, but there is a connection. The connection, if you have to understand, is that in life you can never be climbing up just on escalators. You have to climb up by staircase one by one step. Dedication, hard work, and sincerity of purpose pays a lot. So my humble request to you all, student faculties basically, is to be with it. In a lighter vein, when I was a flight cadet under training in Hyderabad, I used to get back home on holidays, on winter holidays and summer holidays after 6 months. When I came home, my grandmother used to tell me, "Beta, our plane धीरे से चलाना, fly slow, and also fly नीचे चलाना, मतलब fly low." I didn't want to hurt her feelings, but I knew clearly that both were very dangerous, because if you have to fly slow, an aircraft continues to fly with a minimum speed, you have to have a forward speed. Unless that, you will fall off like a stone from the sky, stalling thereafter. Also, if you have to fly low, the numerous dangers are there. There are high tension cables, there are pyramids, there are TV towers, microwave towers, there are so many high rising buildings, there is plenty of obstruction to make an accident. Coming back to Air Force life is a glamorous one. The social life is good and people take care of each other. However, there is a certain amount of risk factor, as you all understand, in any operational flying. And these have been reduced to minimum by sheer adhering to rules and regulations, and also being disciplined yourself and being finally focusing on the task that you have in your hand. That because of that only, I can say with pride that today our accident rates, or we are much safer in flying aircraft than in the roads of Delhi. But my point is here is slightly different for you all. Being disciplined and being focused on whatever you do in your life will certainly succeed. Finally, I have a small narration of my own example for you all. When I come from northeastern states of Assam. My hometown is Nagaon. It's an overgrown town, not a city. Nagaon town is in between Jorhat and Guwahati. When I was a small kid, I used to see Jorhat and Guwahati both have got Air Force stations, and I used to see aircrafts flying. Those days, I did not even understand what kind of aircrafts were those. Those were Dakota aircraft, transport aircraft, carrying passengers and loads. And also, I could see fighter aircrafts flying over my house and over our town from Tejpur. I was fascinated. I was very pleased to see these activities. I was charmed by it. I made up my mind that one day when I grow up, I will become a pilot. And can you imagine that exactly as I pursued my career, my passion became flying, and what a better way to lead a life when you can have your passion growing to be your professional career. Some people may say, sir, you were lucky enough, or may argue the same, saying that you are lucky. But my answer to the question will be capital no. Because हमने भी काफ़ी मेहनत की है हर एक stage of life. So my point to you all is आप लोग भी ठान लो as to what to do with your life, what do you want to become of yourself, and having decided, pursue your passion, pursue your interest, and your dreams will come true. I am more than confident that if you pursue your dreams relentlessly, you'll certainly succeed and come out with flying colors. Even if you have to if you had some failures somewhere in your life. Thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I would request you to please stay on stage because I want you to please hand over some certificates and trophies to our young students.
Okay.
And if they get from your hand, I'm sure sooner or later they are going to be into flying.
Okay.
They got those. All right, so we have the next list of. So please come here.
Yeah.
So this is what we have is Outstanding Improvement Award, Silver Medal and Certificates. And other than that, we have Enthusiastic Learners as well. So we have two categories here now. So we'll be calling their name one by one. All right, so the first one we have Rishabh Bainsala. Nahi hai? Okay, all right. So Rahul Kumar. Do we have Rahul Kumar? Rahul Kumar ke liye taaliyan. Gauri Pandit. Gauri Pandit. Gauri is here. Okay. Gauri is here. Sachin. Sachin as enthusiastic learner. Then we have Renu Agarwal, another enthusiastic learner we have from Softline Institute. Sarika Singh, another enthusiastic learner that we have. Sarika. Renu here? Okay. Anyways, we'll call these names one by one. Then we have Kalyani Tiwari, another enthusiastic learner that we have. Kalyani, okay. Then we have Tanu Nautiyal. Okay, Tanu is here. Then we have Ratika Devi. Okay, so Ratika is also here. We have then Remi Devi. Remi is here. Okay, so Remi is also, Ratika nahi hai? Okay, anyways, all right, will be Remi Devi, okay, Anjali, okay, Anjali Bhandari, okay, Amit Kumar, Mehto, okay, Nitin Gupta, okay, he's here, okay, then we have Pooja, okay, then we have Priyanka Chaube, okay, we have Vaishali Gupta. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. That would be all. Thank you very much. जोरदार तालियां इन सभी enthusiastic learner के लिए।
टॉपिक पर आप वीडियो बनाना चाहते हैं, साथ ही हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। जल्द होगी मुलाकात, तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखिए। धन्यवाद।